point like a motivation behind every child. There is a motivation of their parents. Their parents have motivated well. So that's what he had completed. So whenever we are going to do something work. My name is Sangappa. I'm from Karnataka. Right now, I'm staying in Bangalore. So I have a diploma holder, and I have married a person, and I have 3 kids. So right now, I'm in government sector. Yeah. If I want to talk about my hobbies are, I love to read newspaper. I love to watch news channels, and I watch some YouTuber conversations. Yeah, that's all. That's all, ma'am.
So I will narrate a story, and after that, you will tell me teachings of that story.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So once upon a time, there was a boy. Boy name was Rohan. Rohan was very bright student and ambitious boy, but he was facing a problem, stammering problem. Do you know stammering?
No, ma'am. Please tell
Like
me.
अकड़ाना, बोलते बोलते
Yeah.
अटक जाते हैं.
Okay. Okay.
Problem is called stammer problem.
Okay.
In this problem, there is a therapy, speech therapy. It is very useful.
Okay.
So that child, Rohan, was facing this problem, stammer problem. He was very
Okay.
bright student. Sometimes teachers ask some question. He know all the answers, but he was thinking, okay, if I raise my hand, I will speak. But in the because of stammer problem, I'm not able to speak flawlessly.
Okay, ma'am.
And sometimes some classmates are teasing him, and
Yes.
they are bullying him also. So he
Yes.
was feeling very small and very ashamed. But one day in the school, he get a notice like competition, speech competition. He was very
Yes.
interested for this competition, and that time he discussed it with his family. His father and mother was very supportive. They encouraged, don't worry my child, you should take part in this competition. You forget your problems, and I will suggest you some exercise like breathing exercise, and already you are taking some speech therapy, so you can win this competition. Then he
Yes. Yes.
understood what their parents wants. So he, in the morning, he was doing some breathing exercise, and he was practicing a lot. That
Okay.
day, they come, and he was giving his speech. When he was going to the stage, his legs were trembling. He was thinking,
Yes.
how can I deliver my speech? Because I am
Yes.
facing this problem. But he
Yes.
again think, okay, my parents are very supportive. My some friends are encouraging me. Then why should I fear? I should
Yes.
speak.
Yeah.
Then he speak a lot. At the some point, he was doing some mistakes, but he was thinking, okay, imperfections are the part of the life. We should
Yes.
accept it, and he had delivered his speech in a very good way. Although in
Okay.
the competition he was not secured his first position, but he secured third position. But he was very happy, like he was just thinking, okay, by this competition I boost my confidence,
Yes. Yeah.
and gradually I will overcome this problem.
Yes.
So after this speech competition, he boosted his confidence also.
Yes.
So now you tell me what you learned from this story. What did you learn?
Yeah. Actually, ma'am, from this story, I got some point like a motivation behind every child. There is a motivation of their parents. Their parents have motivated well. So that's what he had completed. So
Mm,
whenever we are going to do something work, we are hesitating. For
mm,
example, if we are learning this language, sometimes we are making mistakes. From these mistakes, we are getting hesitated. Why other people are what they are saying? What will happen? So if we are considering this, we cannot learn anything. So
mm,
the moral of the story is uh, we have to get boost our confidence. It may be from our side. If it is not possible from us, from somebody, it may be parents, parents or friends, someone, we have to get motivation. Then we have to work as much as possible. Then only we can achieve something, our goal. Otherwise, if we are going to be hesitating, we are going to uh, we are going to not going ahead. We are not learning anything. Yeah, this is
Hmm.
the moral of the
We have
story.
always this kind of fear what the people will say if I'm not
Yes,
speaking correctly.
yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
yeah,
I think you should always try to speak, because first of all, it's not our mother tongue. We
yes,
are
of
just
course.
trying to speak and we are giving our best in this language.
Yeah, yeah. If you are not going to consider only this language, if we want to accomplish something in our life, so I want to do some work. Without working, we cannot achieve. We have to first plan it, and according to plan, we have to make a diagram. Then we have to put effort. Yeah, as
Mm.
per then only we can achieve. Without making plan, without working hard, we cannot achieve anything. So
Yes.
first we have.
First we should determine with our goals.
Yes.
Like there are so many person, they have make plan. Okay, I will learn this language within 30 days. But I will always say within 30 days it's impossible, because first of all you have to check your background. If you are coming from your local background like Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, then it is difficult, because your
Yes,
surrounding is full of your local language people,
yes, ma'am. Yeah,
and you
definitely.
have to speak this language in your surrounding.
Yeah, because one more thing is that we are basically from our native language. We don't know how to speak. We don't know how to read it. So that's what it takes a lot of times. It cannot learn instantly. It takes gradually. Then we have to enhance our vocabulary. We have to enhance our grammatical things,
Mm.
and we have to think how to speak. Sometimes we are speaking very well, but making some mistakes. But people, opposite persons are not. Considering mistakes. So whenever we are going to speak fluently, the mistakes will not be considering sometimes.
Mm.
So whatever it may be, we have to practice as much as possible. We have to work hard, and we have to speak as much as possible.
Yes. Okay. Do you know any personality who had facing this problem, stammer problem? Do you know?
Actually, I think I have seen in film. And,
But there are some real personalities. I would like to tell you. I think you have heard this name, Joe Biden. Do you know Joe Biden?
yes, yes, ma'am. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
He
Actually,
is
ma'am.
presiding
Yeah,
at president of USA. But in
yeah.
his early, when he was like child, I think 7 or 8 years old, he was facing this problem.
Yeah, we are knowing that names and all. We are hearing the that stories and all, but immediately we are not remembering and recalling.
Happens, we can't recall all the names, but I am
Yes,
just giving you live examples.
yes, yes, ma'am, yes.
And second personality is Winston Churchill. Have you heard this
Hmm.
name?
Yeah, and
Winston
this name also.
Churchill
Yeah, okay.
was the president of UK.
Yes, ma'am.
In
Yeah,
the Second World War, he has given so many good speeches, and he has a fear of, how can I deliver good speech, because he was also facing this problem.
yes, yes, ma'am.
So
Yes.
by personalities, we can, learn, we can win anything if we have confidence, willpower.
Yes, ma'am.
And mistakes are the part of the life. So we should accept this.
Yeah, definitely, ma'am. It's a common because sometimes if we are learning, we are not knowing anything. We have to hear some things from someone's, and we have to read. We have to search in the it may be Google or from someone. Then we have to start about that, and we have to create something. Yeah.
Yes. Like when you had done your first conversation, that
Yes.
time I think your legs were shivering. You were thinking, how can I deliver my thoughts? How can I convey my thoughts? But I think now you had done so many conversations, so you are confident.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So
Yeah, I think.
practice
Yeah.
makes a man or woman. It makes perfect.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, actually, I have made around 30, 40 video conversations I have made. Yeah, and earlier time I was little nervous and sometimes I was hesitating. But nowadays I have more confidence because I'm learning as much as possible, and I'm right now I have a much vocabulary also. So this is not our language, because if suppose I'm speaking with the local peoples, uh, that vocabulary I know, but some other state peoples while speaking, they are using different types of vocabulary, advanced vocabulary. That time sometimes we are going to struck. So
Mm.
whenever we are going to struck regularly on consistently, we will know that vocabulary also we can speak and we can learn. Yeah, definitely we can enhance our language, ma'am, and we
Yeah.
can enhance our fluency as well.
You are narrating a short story, you are doing role play, and you can
Yeah.
also share some vocabulary idioms. It will boost your vocabulary, word power.
Yes, ma'am. And sometimes we have to make a shadowing. From the shadowing also we can get a boost of our fluency,
Mm.
speaking fluency.
But
Yeah.
I think for shadowing, you have to
Yeah.
some basic knowledge. Then you should do shadowing. Like if you
Yeah.
don't, you like there are some person who have not completed their high school or
Yes.
10 plus 2. That time
Mm.
I can say shadowing is not good for that person. First, they should know some basic knowledge of grammar. After
Yes.
that, they should do shadowing. But if you are a graduate person and you are well known about this language, then you should do shadowing.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Then you can improve your pronunciation and you can convey your thoughts in a very good manner.
Yes, ma'am. Without knowing everything grammar things and without go and knowing vocabulary, we cannot make shadow also.
Yes, like there are so many person because of some problem they have not completed their school education. In
Yeah.
their situation, it is not beneficial.
But ma'am, some of the illiterate people are also speaking very well. Yeah, I have no like this people's.
But by the practice, because they had done practice, I think 1 year, 2 year, 3 years. Sometimes they
Yes,
are giving.
but sometimes their surroundings also will be in that environment. Then only they are speaking. Otherwise, how they will speak?
Your family members are speaking in English. That time English is really a very easy language. But if your surrounding is not full of English people, local people, then it is
Yes,
difficult.
yes, of course, ma'am. Yeah,
And right now it is very easy because we have made a group of Skype and
yes,
every day we are doing conversation. By this
yes.
way, we can improve our speaking skills.
And one more thing is that right now we have a lot of platforms like Eyebrow is there, and Open Talk is there, and the CV app is there, Skype application is there. We have to practice more, and
Not very serious, but on the Skype app, they are very serious. I have
yes,
observed.
yes, yes, ma'am.
They know this video will going to the YouTube, so they are very sitting in a very good manner and they are describing the topic.
Yeah. Sometimes without making video calls, just we are going to making audio call. That time we are not serious. Just we are like as opposite people are just passing that call. Yeah.
Yes,
If
yes,
we are going to speak face to face, that time very serious, and they are using a good vocabularies, and they are behaving very strictly.
yes, yes. That is the reason mostly I'm doing video conversation, because on the video mode you can discuss any topic, you can express your thoughts, but on the audio mode we are not taking it seriously.
Yes, of course, you are right.
Yes.
Yes.
Any question do you have for me?
Yeah, ma'am. How you are celebrating Dasra, ma'am? Yeah, you celebrated Dasra?
Yes, we
Dasra
also
fest.
celebrate the Shara. Tomorrow we will go in the Shara fair, and
Yes.
there are so many good rides also. We will, my daughter will take, and after
Okay.
like eating some snacks, I enjoy my festival.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Happy
Okay,
Dasra, ma'am. Thank you.
okay, same to you, sir. Okay,
Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am.
okay, bye bye.